Today I'm making Twinkies. No, not those golden cakes filled with cream. I'm going to show you how to make Texas Twinkies. These are jalapenos stuffed with cream cheese, shredded cheddar, topped with brisket, wrapped in bacon, glazed in barbecue sauce. Typically you'd smoke in a pit. I'm going for the oven. I'm going for easy, but they are so good. Here we go. Okay, so you'll want to start by shredding around 4 ounces of sharp cheddar cheese. In a bowl, I'm going to add 8 ounces of softened cream cheese. And if you haven't noticed, but today I have an assistant, my husband. He's going to help me out. Now add your shredded cheese. And now combine. Next, I'm going to add some barbecue rub. This is homemade, and for the recipe, it's this. It's right out of my cookbook, Mama's Favorite Barbecue Spice Rub. But I suggest you use your favorite one, whether it's store-bought or homemade. I'm adding a teaspoon. Okay, so here I've chopped smoked brisket. I purchased this from my local grocery store. They sell it. This is about £1. For this recipe, around 12 ounces works. And if you go and eat barbecue for dinner, order some extra sliced brisket, chop it up, and you'll have some later to make some Texas Twinkies. So this is going into my cheese mixture. And for the jalapenos, you'll want to remove the seeds from the inside and start adding all of your cream cheese mixture. I'll show you how I prep the jalapenos. You get it and you kind of cut across the top, not all the way, and then you go right down the middle, basically making the letter T. And then you're going to carefully open that up. And then you just remove all of the seeds, the veins, and it makes this a bit milder. You really never know how spicy these jalapenos are until you technically bite into them, but it does help to remove the seeds. Okay, so these are cleaned, and repeat the process until they're all done. So now continue stuffing, filling all of your jalapenos. Again, a big dollop of this cream cheese mixture, press it in. Now add some extra chopped brisket right on top and just press that all together, and that's how you stuff them. So I'm making these today, and with this filling, you could easily get somewhere between 8 to 10. It really just depends how big the jalapenos are. And we are eating this for an early dinner. This on top of rice or in a corn tortilla to make tacos, it's good. After you fill all of your jalapenos, you'll want to add parchment paper to a large baking sheet and start preheating your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, by the way. So to wrap these, you just take thin or regular sliced bacon and wrap it around. This one might take more than one slice because these are really stuffed and they're really large jalapenos, so half of another piece, and that's that. And you'll want to place it on your baking sheet. And you could secure the bacon with a toothpick to keep it in place, but it's going on a baking sheet. I'm not smoking this on a pit, so it'll be fine. There you go. Once you've prepped all of your jalapenos, you'll want to just add some extra barbecue spice rub all over your Texas Twinkies. So now that my oven is preheated to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, we're going to put that in, and I'm going to let it bake for about 15 minutes. Then after 15 minutes or halfway through the cook time, I'm going to remove them from the oven.
Oh, it smells good.
And this is when you'll want to glaze them with your favorite barbecue sauce, whether you make it homemade or your favorite store-bought brand. I have this sweet and spicy pineapple barbecue sauce. Actually, I didn't realize it was spicy. I thought it was just sweet. But yeah, yay for more spice. So just pour some on top and glaze all over your Texas Twinkies. And typically I like to use Sweet Baby Ray's barbecue sauce, or like I said, if you have a really good homemade barbecue sauce, go for it. So after they are all glazed, whether you like a little bit or a lot, put them right back into your preheated oven, and they're going to go for another 15 minutes. The cook time does vary, but it's somewhere like 20 to 30 minutes. And these are done. You really just want the bacon to get crispy, that glaze to get sticky, and everything to get melty and just roasted. Oh, it's perfect. This is going to be good. And I can already smell that these are going to be spicy, by the way. So before diving in, you'll want to let them set, or you can just cut one open like I'm doing now while it's hot, because it is very hot. You will burn your mouth, not only because of the spice, if they are spicy, but the heat. But look at this. This is literally Texas Twinkie perfection. So what if it kind of fell apart? It's going to be good. It's time for a bite. And yes, I'm using a fork because these are super hot. And this could totally be a side to your carne asada or dinner. So I hope you give this recipe a try. I hope you like it, and thanks for watching.